Hi everyone, myself Hina, an online teacher. Welcome from the bottom of my heart. Have you ever wondered what makes up the stuff around us? That's chemistry. So, today we are diving into the basic and checking out the cool branches of chemistry. Are you ready to explore with me? Yeah, very good. We are only going to touch some basic aspects of the chemistry, some branches and its definition, what is chemistry, and which things around us are related to chemistry. Only we are going to take an overview of the chemistry. So let's start. That's chemistry. Yes, what is chemistry? Chemistry is the study of matter. Chemistry is the study of matter. Now, what is matter? It's a good question. The answer of this question is anything which has mass and occupies space. Okay? Anything which has mass and occupies space is called matter. Now, what is matter? It may be any kind of solid like iron, which we can look around us, or liquid. Mostly, we can give the example of water, or gases. Many gases in our atmosphere, like oxygen, we are very familiar of these kind of gases too. Now we got it that we are going to study the matter in chemistry, but what to study and how to study? Yes, to solve these two questions, what and how to study, is called chemistry. Okay, so in simple words we can say that anything regarding matter, it may be its composition, its structure, its properties, transformation. Transformation from one form to another form means anything, any form to, like from liquid to solid, or solid to liquid, or liquid to gas, or solid to gases. Okay, and the energy that accompanies its transformation means what kind of energy we require to transform from one kind of form to another form. Okay, so let's summarize quickly all these things. What is chemistry? Chemistry is the study of matter. And what is matter? Which has mass and space. What are we going to study in the chemistry? That is the composition, structure, properties, transformation, and the energy which is used to transform of matter is called chemistry. If we say it in a single line, that anything regarding matter, the study of anything regarding matter is called chemistry. Okay, so we are going to start our lovely chemistry. That quickly, I have to raise it quickly. Okay. Yes. Mm, okay, it's done. Now take a brief look on the branches of chemistry. There are many branches, no doubt. I have right there only the main branches of the chemistry, like biology. If biology attached with the chemistry, it will be biochemistry. Physical chemistry, if it attached with the physics. Astronomy and nutrition, medicine, oceanology, geology, and meteorology. Okay, now if we are going to take an overview of the main branches of the chemistry. These are the main branches like organic chemistry, inorganic chemistry, physical chemistry, biochemistry, and analytical chemistry. What are these chemistries? We are we can take and other branches of chemistry these are the small branches of chemistry but are much more important in our daily life and um many other fields of sciences like nanochemistry, combinatorial chemistry, astrochemistry, environmental chemistry. It's very important nowadays. And food chemistry, solid chemistry, material chemistry, forensic chemistry, and medical chemistry. What are their use? I will tell you in the next slides. So, if we are going to talk about the branches of chemistry, then the first one we are going to discuss is the physical chemistry. Physics, physique means anything which we can look, okay, like the physical properties. इसकी whose physical properties? The physical properties of matter, okay. It deals with the applications of physical laws of chemical changes and chemical system. Means we are going to study matter. It's clear that we are going to study only matter. What is matter? We already have discussed it. In physical chemistry, we only discuss the physique, means physical aspects of matter, like their boiling points, melting points, are their colors, whose color? Matter color, their states, and the laws which are representing these properties. We have already heard many kinds of laws like Maxwell law and Lenz's law of diffusion, and many other laws are present in chemistry. So, if you storm your mind, so can you tell me the example of any physical chemistry related to chemistry? Yes, I already told you that if we study the physique, their color properties, their bonding properties, or their melting points, boiling points, their temperature, diffusion, anything that is called physical chemistry. So let's move on. What is an organic chemistry? It's a second branch of chemistry. It's concerned with carbon-based compounds. Organic chemistry is based on carbon-based compound. Let's write a simple compound CH4. It's methane. It has carbon and hydrogen. These are also called hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbon means only consist on hydrogen and carbon. These are also called hydrocarbons. From our daily life, if we want to search any best example of the organic chemistry, then yes, it's petrol. After petrol, it may be natural gas and many other things like alcohol and many things which are used in medicines, glycerols, and etc. Let's move on. Our next slides. Our next slide will tell you about uh, many more things like including inorganic chemistry and biochemistry. Inorganic chemistry is relate opposite to organic chemistry. We study hydrocarbons in organic chemistry. Then in inorganic chemistry we are going to study the other compounds which have not only carbon and hydrogen but many other uh, elements like nitrogen, oxygen, sulfur. Okay, it deals with the substance which are not considered to organic, which may contain any of our 100 elements including carbons. Okay, I already cleared it that it may be nitrogen, carbon, and oxygen, sulfur, phosphorus, and many other elements. You can also look them in a periodic table. If you mm, talk about the biochemistry, then what is biochemistry? Biochemistry. We are familiar that bio means life. Okay, bio means life. If we study our life with chemistry, then it will become biochemistry. How? Means if we study the body of our human beings, the molecules present in the human body always study in under the shade of biochemistry. It concerned with the chemistry of life, process, and living organisms. Means let's take an example. If we are going to study how the blood contains, which things are blood contains, like it contains hemoglobin and different cells. The study of particular things like the hemoglobin, what hemoglobin contains in itself, it is called biochemistry. Like when we explore that hemoglobin contains iron, adds and complexing agent. Okay, that is called biochemistry. When we study life according to chemistry, that is called biochemistry. Hopefully it is not boring you, because chemistry is silly and uh, mm, mm, chemistry is really an enjoyable subject, not much boring, but sometimes we can say that it's bored me, but I think so. It's really an interesting subject. Okay, but if we go next, then it is analytical chemistry. I'm talking about the study, and study of this and study of that from the start of my lecture. But how to study and how to check, how to questions, that is the test. All the tests which we uh, apply on our matter, these all tests are made under the shade of analytical chemistry. It concerned with techniques and laboratory methods to determine the composition of matter. Means if we want to study the matter, then we have to uh, design and methodology and design and different kinds of tests, have to handle the instruments, and we have to design all the measurements to do all these laboratory tests on that particular kind of matter. Then we have to be familiar about the analytical chemistry. Okay, if I try to move next uh, and go to the next branch of the chemistry, let's move on. Okay, that's it. Why chemistry is important? It's a good question. Okay, the only one answer of this question which can tackle to your question is that you just have to look at the which you have to look around yourself. Okay, find different things, explore different things in your personal area, in your school, and any other things. Try to understand what is matter. If you find anything regarding matter that can be put into the chemistry, the breakfast you are eating, or the products which you have, these all are the products of chemistry. Even our body is also a part of chemistry. Okay, role of chemistry in our society and industry is much more important. Role of the chemistry is in every field of life. We can never make succeeded without chemistry, as everywhere you can see the different aspects of chemistry, their laboratory methods, and many other techniques regarding chemistry and their studies, like industries 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 are nothing without chemistry. Okay. And professions and occupations need some knowledge of chemistry. The application of theories in chemistry produce new and better material. That's why it's important that if we have to make some new medicines, which is very important, important in nowadays in our daily lives, then we have to take the knowledge of chemistry in our everyday experiences at home and the community are all explained by chemistry. Yes, uh, cl- we are strongly bonded with the chemistry in our field, in our different fields of life, to study matter and to make progress. Careers. It's an relevant question. Like many students ask, after chemistry, how can we make an best and advanced career in our life? Then there are many more branches of chemistry and many more fields regarding to careers. Like you can go to medicine, you can go to law. Educational fields are very much more important. Pharmaceutical industries are very important. Environmental chemistry, physics, physical chemistries, you can make laws according to by using of the physical chemistries. And forensic chemistry is very emerging branch of the chemistry, like and the nanochemistry is very prettier branch of the chemistry. Also biochemistry, you can go to any medical field. You can go anywhere with chemistry degree, as it's very important in every field. You can see here. Okay. I want to say thank you to you. If you find this presentation helpful, then please contact to me. I will give my best, and I will do much better than that, inshallah, for the next time. As I'm going to as I'm going to polish myself and learning many more things these days. So you have to just, if you like this, then you just have to contact me. I will teach you with more efficiency than that, uh, as I am want to be a